Hello, and welcome to Advantage Cleaning Services Team Leader Training, Module 3, Part 1. In this segment, we will be covering the topics of dealing with customer complaints and introducing change. It can be very difficult dealing with complaints received by customers, whether they came from a residential or commercial account. How you choose to deal with various complaints can be a major reduction factor in complaints overall. Since the makeup of these complaints are so variable, here are 4 tips to dealing with customer complaints regarding your cleaning technicians. Like we've discussed previously, start with some solid, positive reinforcement before hammering the technician with the complaint. Bring up the comment calmly. There's no use bringing more emotion into an already heated situation. Reinforce the importance of maintaining happy customers. Explain the chain of events set in motion by complaints. For example, constant complaints will eventually result in an account loss, which will absolutely result to the loss of jobs or the cessation of a team if there's not enough work for that team. Look into the cleaning technician's point of view to see if there's a better approach to take. Perhaps the complaints are repetitive and the customer is nitpicking at every possibility. If there is something simple, like a mirror with a few water spots on it, ask the cleaning technician how they could stop the error from happening again. Be sure to keep cleaning techs feeling as though they are part of a unit. For example, when they are hired or being trained, ask them this question. If there's a complaint with your work, would you like me to tell you? Hopefully they say yes, as you would expect. Then respond with a comment like, okay, then let's make an agreement. Whenever there is a problem with your work, I agree to tell you immediately if you agree to correct the mistake immediately. This approach will make your job as a team leader easier in future interactions. If your technician has a complaint later on, remind them of their agreement with you. Change is a huge aspect of the cleaning industry. There are frequent changes in management, product usage, and policy adaptation. As a team leader, you must implement this change and enforce it. Always keep in mind change is much easier to force when the people affected by the change feel it is their own change. So how does one implement change? If you follow a few simple rules, change will flow much smoother. If at all possible, gather as much information from your coworkers as possible before implementing change. Get everyone involved in decision making. Like I mentioned before, those who feel involved in decision making will welcome it. Keep everything on the table. Don't get in the habit of making decisions behind someone's back. If you get in the habit of doing so, rumors will get started. If the change is a large one, work it in over time. For example, if the company decided to switch from green cleaning to adopting harsh chemicals, you would have to make this change over a very long period of time. Always explain the benefits to a change. For example, the addition of all-natural Bon Ami, which will keep you as a cleaner, safe from caustic toilet cleaners like the works. Make sure you appear on board with the change as well. When a leader seems to buck against new changes, you won't be able to keep other members on board. This concludes the Module 3, Part 1 segment of Advantage Cleaning Services Team Leader Training. Thank you for watching.